In the previous lectures, we have been learning the structure of a report. The different sections of the report are: number 1, title page; number 2, executive summary; number 3, table of contents; number 4, introduction; number 5, discussion; number 6, findings; number 7, conclusion; number 8, recommendations; number 9, bibliography; and number 10 is appendices. We shall be discussing the discussion section in detail. Let's discuss the fifth section, that is of discussion. You need to think critically about an issue. You may develop creative solutions to the problems, or formulate a deeper, more profound understanding of the problem under investigation. In the sixth section is the findings. In that section, you are supposed to answer how reliable are the findings and how significant are your findings. The seventh section is of conclusion, that are logical deductions based on the data in the findings section. It is the comprehensive summary of the findings and sums up the main points of the report. The eighth section is of recommendations. Recommendations can be concerning the implication, its journal applicability, the suitability of findings, and suggestions of topics for further research. The ninth is the bibliography section. You need to ensure that all the work you cite in the body of your report is listed in the reference list. It is necessary to use the standard format. 10th is appendices. An appendix is placed at the very end of the report. It has specifications, questionnaire, long complex table of figures.